ladies figured to take the truck out today, and what's going on? Is it this service engine light again? Oh no, this is a different light. Looks like the gas light. Well, time to get it fixed. All right, let's get hot. So, in order to fix this gas light issue, get out the truck, obviously, and pull into your local gas station. My choice, Murphy's. So let me go ahead and get this set up. Put my little stuff in here. Y'all don't need to see what I'm doing because y'all nosy. Okay, got that in there. Oh, gotta pay. That might help, but still, I don't know if you can see that either. Some of y'all might try to push pause, but I got something for you. Anyway, once it accepts my card, put it in the wallet. Somebody got a little bit of gas where it came through. Put that in there. Now, yeah, I think I take a receipt. All right, guy on the motorcycle. All right, okay, remove nozzle, select grade, nozzle, so many choices. I guess I do the 93 today. Yeah, start pumping this gas. Yeah, nozzles in, pump some more gas. Yeah. Gas is getting expensive. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. All right, that should do it right there. And just like that, when we get in, should not have a light on. Let's. All right, so we get back into the truck and we jump in like we do. Go ahead and put this key in here. Yep, there we go. All right, now we look and I don't see a light. I think we got it, guys and girls. No light. Now, like, share, and subscribe.